Elementary English Test 1 Part 1. 1. Hello, what, your name? A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. D. Be. Two. Name is John. And my is Johnson. A. Your surname. B. My surname. C. I surname. D. I name. Three. My name is Lisa. Lisa Peterson. A. My am. B. I is. C. I am. D. I. Four. Name is Apple. An apple. A. His, she. B. His, he's. C. Her, she's. D. His, his. Five. Where, John from? From the US. A. Is, he's. B. Is, his. C. Am, he's. D. Is, she's. Six. Are you from? Japan. A. What? B. Who? C. Where? D. When? Seven. Where, blank, you, blank. A. Is, from. B. Are, in. C. Are, is. D. Are, from. Eight. Blank, from Spain. I'm Rodriguez. A. I'm. B. He's. C. You're. D. She's. Nine. Pierre is a French boy. Blank, from, blank. A. He's, France. B. His is, French. C. His, France. D. He, France. 10. Lisa and Max are Americans. Blank, from USA. A. There. B. There. C. There. D. There are. (11) What, blank, the, blank. Alexander and Philip. A. Are, name. B. Is, name. C. Is, names. D. Are, names. (12) I, blank, 22 years old, but Andrew, blank, 20. A. Am. B. Are, am. C. Am, is. D. Are. 13. Mark, blank, 19, but Brian and Dennis, blank, 26 and 28. A. Is, are. B. Are, is. C. Are. D. Am, are. (14) What, blank, this. It's, blank, umbrella. A. Are, a. B. Is, a. C. Is, an. D. It's, an. (15) Oxford is, blank, English University. A. An. B. The. C. A. D. None is correct.